So let's take up this word Rho base. So what is Rho base? Now this says it's going to be the bare minimum strength. Bare minimum strength of current applied at least for 1 millisecond. From that point, at least for 1 millisecond to n millisecond of time to get an identical response. The response is going to be just the same. This bare minimum strength of current is called as Rho base, guys, and this Rho base is on an average of 18 to 20 milliamperes. 18 to 20 milliamperes, that's going to be Rho base, guys. Alright, in experimental setting I'm talking about, if you look for a response in a muscle specimen, you at least have to apply a current of 18 to 20 milliamperes. It doesn't matter. The time can be of any duration. You can apply the stimulus for 1 millisecond, you can apply the stimulus for 5 millisecond, 10 millisecond, even you can take it for 300 millisecond, the curve is going to be identical. Alright, so from the point of 1 millisecond all the way to the point of 300 millisecond, guys, the response is going to be ditto identical, and such a kind of curve is going to be the response curve for 18 milliampere of current. Alright, now let's get to see what will happen if the intensity of stimulus is increased. Alright, if the intensity of stimulus is going to be increased. Now understand this. If I go for twice the amount of Rho base, people consider this is Rho base, which is nothing but 18 to 20 milliampere. This point is going to be the Rho base, guys. Now if I apply twice the amount of Rho base here, if I apply twice the amount of Rho base, alright, what is the response I am going to get? That's my next question. What is the response I am going to get? If I keep increasing the intensity of stimulus, if the stimulus strength gets more and more and more and more, high intensity stimulus, the duration which is required to elicit a response is going to be proportionately reduced. So the strength of the stimulus is inversely related to the duration required to elicit a response.